Hey guys, I am back with another one, and it is a fifth wheel Cedar Creek. We just got it in, and it is a shorter version. So I believe it's like under, I think we're gonna say 30 foot, but I'm gonna check on that just to make sure. But it is beautiful, gorgeous. So if you're looking for something smaller, a coach, so no bunks, this might be the one for you. It is absolutely stunning, and it's a Cedar Creek, so it's very good quality. So let's go from the outside in. You let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, it is the Forest River Cedar Creek Experience. It's a 2025 Model 29RL, so that's that rear living. We've got two slides, and you can see that it is a shorter one, but absolutely beautiful. I love this unit, it's so pretty. We got one long slide right over there, and it's got one slide over here. So 3 slides, 2 awnings. I love this door, like that black tinted door. Let's go to the back. You've got your backup camera prep as well. All right, let's take a look inside. All right, it's beautiful. All right, so you get all the luxury of a Cedar Creek. Even though it is a shorter one, it's got everything that you need. So let's see, it is 30.1 is what it says. You got a beautiful island as well, but it's far enough over that it doesn't take up your living room space. So you've got your theater seating right over here. Very comfortable. You've got your dinette and table. Well, it's really a table, chairs, and a cute little bench right over here. Of course, it has storage underneath. You also can pull out this table to make it longer, but it also has a drawer underneath. Very nice. You've got a nice, big, comfy couch with beautiful windows all the way around. You've got storage available up above as well. And then you've got your entertainment over here with a fireplace. Of course, this does have the pantry as well. Oh, let's try unlocking it. All right. Nice and big, plenty of space. I love the amount of room that you get right here. You've got a nice big 3-burner stove with a nice big oven. You've got a beautiful cabinetry, and I love the color of the cabinets. I mean, just so pretty. It's not white, it's kind of like a beige cream color. And then you do have a microwave as well. Let's take a look in there. I love the backsplash as well. Beautiful backsplash. But Cedar Creek always does really, really good with their designs. You got more storage and drawers over here. Some little goodies. You've got counter space here as well, and then you've got a nice big sink. Beautiful countertop as well. And then you've got this giant fridge. Plenty of space to put all your goods as well. I mean, it seems quite big. It's very wide, very, very wide. Then you got your pantry area over here, or whatever you might want to use it for. And then up above as well. And then you've got more right over here. You've got maybe a coffee table counter over here, some more drawers and more storage. And then you also have these right here. I've never seen this, so I really, really like it. It's a little bit of space. Maybe you got magazines, maybe you got some games that you want to put in here. I love this idea. It's beautiful, very nice. You got a little glass cleaner that everybody seems to really love. All right, let's take a look up the stairs. Nice big bathroom. So plenty of space here. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You can have a seat in the bathroom. You've got some storage area right here and also on the bottom, plus storage right down here. And then you've got your little cubbies right here and then some more storage right here. I love the sink and the faucet. I love all of it. All right through here we've got our master bedroom, which is really quite big. So you've got a nice king size bed. You've got little tables, shelves on the side to put whatever you might need, plus little windows. Love it. You can charge your phones. You do have an outlet on both sides as well. You've got let me roll this up so you can kind of see. You've got a dresser with plenty of storage, and then you got your entertainment right above, and then a beautiful, beautiful big closet with a mirror, which I love. Let me see, unlock this. So you've got your washer and dryer prep. Plenty of storage area here. There's quite a bit. And then you can hang up your clothes, all that fun stuff. So a lot of space in here. But I definitely want to know what you guys think of this. It's very different. I haven't seen one of a Cedar Creek this short, so I love it. I absolutely love it because, I do have customers that are looking for smaller fifth wheels, and this one is beautiful at a great price as well. So if you want any information, just let me know. Call, text, email. You got my information down below. But until next time, guys.